Tired of silence in your Discord voice channels? Learn how to add a music bot and play any song in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through adding Jockey music, authorizing it, and playing your first track. Let's start with Discord. First, head over to Discord. Then, click on the server name at the top left. Now, select Server Settings from that menu. In the Settings sidebar, click on App Directory. In the search bar, type in Jockey Music. Click on Jockey Music. Go ahead and click the Add App button. A pop-up will appear asking which server to add it to. Select your server. Then click Continue to proceed. Finally, click Authorize to grant the bot access. Now, go to your server where you added the bot. Join a voice channel. Any will do. Click on the chat box at the top of the voice channel. Type mplay, followed by the song name or link, then press Enter. The bot will join your channel and start playing your music. Enjoy! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.